social distancing, sweet nothings into your heterosexual life partner's ear. Hey, baby, what are you doing tonight?
Not you.
See, it works great! You should try it at home. Rock on.
Jesus.
What's up, people? Luch coming at you here with another episode of crap that Chip will never print with his 3D printer. Now, people, my daughter needed a new brush holder for her makeup, and she has a marble-themed countertop there. And so I made her this really neat marble colored brush holder. Check that out, people. This is what I made for my daughter for her makeup brushes. Isn't that neat? Pretty awesome, huh? That's something that Chip will never make with his 3D printer. So rock up!
Hey, Luch.
What? Oh no, people. You thought that was it? No, people. There's more to this video than just that. Check this out. So as you can see, not to be outdone, my other daughter wanted something really neat too. So we made her this color-changing makeup brush holder, people. Can you see inside? It's color-changing, hence the name. Pretty neat, huh? Once again, people, this is something that Chip will never print with his 3D printer. So,
My freshly waxed nuts! Yeah!
So, thank you for joining us for this episode, and I hope you can join us again for more. Rock on, people! LuchaCabre.